approval of a professional services agreement with GH2 Architects to provide design services for a splash pad at Ted Anderson Park for $73,000. Is staff going to do a, oh, there he is.
This is a fun one.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Brian Ochsner, Director of Community Quality for the city. Let's see, okay. Here to talk to you about a contract to design a splash pad. In 2016, Edmond residents voted to extend a half% sales tax. Around that same time, City Council appointed a task force of citizens to give some input on projects for that. And this was one of the projects that was identified and suggested. Since that time, our staff has been looking at great locations across our park systems for a potential second splash pad location, and we landed on suggesting Ted Anderson Park. Well, back up there. Ted Anderson Park is, to orient everybody, here's South Boulevard, here's Rankin, Orvis Reisner Elementary School, and so we're looking at this area just north here at Ted Anderson Park. Now, the agreement before you is to design a splash pad that will be about 2/3 the size of our splash pad that we currently have over near Kelly and Barnett Field. So it'll be a little smaller scale to fit this space. Part of the project that they'll walk us through is determining the needs and desires for restroom facilities, for water reuse on the site, to determine if it's feasible to irrigate this play field, this kind of over here, to kind of elevate the surface of that, to increase the use of that. So we project a construction budget of $400,000, but there's a lot to be determined in between now and then, but that's how we currently see it. So with that, any questions or comments?
I'm just glad to see another splash pad going to design. I just, lovely.
Yeah. And if things go well, we'll hope to have it in use next season.
Oh, boy.
Fingers
And I
crossed.
appreciate the
Splash pad, Mayor?
efforts.
Yeah, call me the splash pad mayor, yes. Next.
Yeah, the efforts towards conservation, I think, should be noted too. In water conservation, this will be an even more efficient splash pad than the ones we currently have. So using technology to be conscious of that is appreciated.
Absolutely. A good point. It's an important thing to balance, the use of that water for those recreational purposes. Absolutely.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you.